Good morning, guys. I'm here again to teach you guys the shortcut used to determine the eigenvalues of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now we have this question. Say that determine the eigenvalues of the matrix 2 minus 1 minus 1 0 4 2 1 minus 1 and 0. Now, to solve, to find the eigenvalue of these vectors using the shortcut, we have a cube minus a square x plus ax2 minus x3. Now where x is the sum of the matrix diagonal, x2 is the determinant of the matrix diagonal, and x3 is the determinant of the whole matrix. Now therefore, to find the therefore now x where x is the diagonal of the matrix, and the diagonal of this matrix is 2 4 0, whereby summing it becomes 2 plus 4 plus 0, that becomes 6, and x2 is the determinant of this diagonal matrix. Now therefore, to find the determinant of this diagonal matrix, we have to find the determinant of 2, determinant of 4, and that of 0. Therefore, now to find the determinant of 2 is taking 2 row 1, everything down here is out, therefore remaining only 4 2 minus 1 and 0. Therefore then that becomes 4 times 0 is 0 minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, whereby 0 minus 2 is 0 plus 2, which is now therefore determinant of 2 is equal to what? Is equal to 2. Also when finding the determinant of 4. The determinant of 4 here is taking, this is 4, everything here is out, that becomes 2 1 minus 1 and 0. Therefore that becomes this minus this, that is 2 times 0 is 0, minus 1 times 1 is minus 1, that becomes 0 minus 1 is 0 plus, which is 1. Now therefore the next one is determine the determinant of 0, and that of 0 is the whole of this out and the whole of this out, that becomes 2 0 minus 1 4, becoming what? We have this 2 0 minus 1 4. Therefore now cross multiplying this, becoming 2 times 4 is 8, minus 1 times 0 is minus 0, which is equal to 8 minus 0 is 8 plus 0, which is what? 8. Okay, now after that, x2 is equal to what? Is equal to therefore x2 is equal to determinant of 2 plus that of 4 plus that of 0. That becomes 2 plus 1 plus what? 8. That will give 11. Now after doing that, we have to find the what? X3 is the what? X3 is what? Is the determinant of this whole matrix, the main determinant of this whole matrix. That becomes what? Now x3 is to find the determinant of this matrix, we have to do a converter the first root, and the first row here are 2 0 and 1, which is, if you want to convert this, this becomes plus minus and plus. You understand? So that becomes plus minus plus. Now therefore taking that of 2, if you take that of 2, everything here is out and everything here is out, that becomes 4 minus 1 2 0, that becomes 2 bracket 4 minus 1 2 0, and taking that of 0, that is plus minus, that becomes minus 0, everything here is out, that becomes minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 0, so that becomes minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 0. And if you come here, we have taking that of 1. If you take that of 1, everything here is out, that becomes minus 1 minus 1 4 2, that becomes minus 1 minus 1 4 2. Therefore now doing this, become cross multiply this minus this, 4 times 0, that becomes 2 bracket 4 times 0 is 0 minus 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Now minus 0 bracket minus 1 times 0 is 0 minus 1 times minus 1 is what? Is minus 1. So that becomes plus. We have this minus 1 times 2 is what? Minus 2, and minus 1 times 4 is minus, that becomes plus 4. Therefore that becomes what? 0 plus 2 is what? 2. That 2 times 2 is 4, and and 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So that becomes minus 1 times 0 is minus 0. Now plus, we have this minus 2 plus 4 is what? Is 2. And then 1 times 2 is what? Is 2. So that becomes 4 minus 0 plus is equal to 6. Therefore, that becomes what? Now, therefore x3 therefore x3 is equal to what? 6. Now, since x3 is equal to 6, since x3 is equal to 6, putting the values of x2 and x3 in the shortcut, which is in the shortcut formula, which is and the shortcut formula is this. Meaning that put the value of x here, put the value of x2 here, and put the value of x3 what here. So so that becomes where x is equal to 6, where x is equal to 6, that the sum of the diagonal is equal to 6, and x2 is equal to 11, and x3 is equal to 6 as well. So when putting it, become a3 minus 6a squared plus 11a minus 6. Now, therefore, this using trial and error method to find one factor. Now, what do you do? since this factor is a cubic factor, therefore we need to find one factor before finding the rest. Now, using try and error method, we have let a equals 1. So if you put a equals 1 here, that means that everything here will be equal to 0. That means that the factor is correct. So that means that the first factor is what? A minus 1, which is a equals to 1. Therefore, using a minus 1 to divide this cubic factor, if you use a minus 2 to divide this cubic factor, it will give you a squared minus 5a plus 6. That is what? Now, dividing this, a3 divided by a is a, times a squared is a3. So everything here subtracting will give you 0, 0. So after that you go now, after that you got a squared minus 5a plus 6. So that becomes what? A squared minus 5a plus 6. Now, therefore, factorizing this become x minus 3 by x minus 6 equals to 0. Therefore, where x minus 3 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 3, and x minus 2 is equal to 2, and x is equal to 2. Now, therefore a2 is equal to 3, a3 is equal to 2, and now therefore the eigenvalues are 1, 3, and 2, where a is equal to 1, 3, or 2. So guys, this is the final answer of this. Please guys, if you find this video very interesting, please like and subscribe. Thank you.